A crypto exchange suddenly put out a notice that they will be delisting a particular crypto. And to you, what could possibly go wrong? Nothing. And this signal two things. Is either the crypto exchange don't want to do business with that token anymore, or the token has failed drastically. And they don't want to do business with the token. Most times the token could still be performing well, but maybe they didn't meet up their criteria, or maybe there's a breach in agreement, and that's why they'll be delisting it. Now, most times this usually signal a sudden more dump on the token. In most cases, the market maker or the founders of the token usually do some fake pumps just to liquidate more people or to make their last banks before the token goes to zero. But you don't really care, because you'll be like, okay, maybe they may not, maybe they may change their mind. Now, here's what happened after the delisting of a token happened. Now, the last value of that token before the delisting is what will be left, is what we see displayed, which means the value will neither change nor reduce on the exchange. Let me say for instance, let's say you bought the token worth $1,000 and it has dumped to like about $170 something, just like you're seeing on my screenshot right here. Now, the moment the token is delisted, the last value, which is $179 or $76, you can see whatever value you are seeing here, is what will remain forever. Now, the second thing is, can you say it, or is that the real value? No, that doesn't reflect the real value of the token. Now, the real value of the token is actually on chain, and the only way you can get the real value of the token is by moving that particular token off that exchange, take it on chain and swap it with any DEX or any decentralized exchange where the token is still being listed. Now, what will now happen to the token that is on an exchange? Now, most exchanges like Binance, Bybit, they do allow you to send the token out, but most other exchanges don't allow you. They just leave the token like that. You can't send it out. You can't send any other one in. You will just see it there. Now, especially a token that exists on its own network. Let's not call this one a token. Especially a coin that exists on its own network. So both the network will be suspended and the token will be and the coin will be suspended. So you cannot send it out because the coin network is suspended, and they ain't going to work on that coin network because the coin is not listed on that exchange. So invariably, you've lost both the peanut and your entire token left on the exchange. So now, in the situation whereby some exchanges like Binance or something allow you to send the token out, then you can hold the token on your wallet and you're able to swap with any DEX. Why is it still possible to swap after the listing? Yes, it's possible. Most of these cryptos are listed on DEX, and most DEX, when a token is listed on a DEX, most time the liquidity is already burnt, which means that that token remains swappable forever, except a token where permission can be adjusted back and forth. So now, now that you understand it, now that I've told you this, so if you have any token on an exchange and they've announced a delisting, make sure you always go swap, or if you don't want to swap it and you still believe in the dream of the token, make sure you go send it to a wallet, a DEX wallet, or your Ledger, decentralized wallet, so that you can always have access to it, or you can swap it later in the future. Now, look at this particular token right here that I held on this particular exchange here. I'm unable to swap it, I'm unable to sell it, I'm unable to even withdraw it. So it's just stuck there on that exchange. And as at the time of the delisting, the value was about $179. So I hope you learned something from me today. Feel free to like this video, share with someone, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. One more thing before you go, always make sure that you are following your favorite crypto project or whatever crypto that you invest in on Twitter, on X. Yeah, it's now X. So that whenever there is a new rollout of updates, you'll be you'll be updated. You just see it and take action as soon as possible. Follow me. I always share some update, or maybe there's any listing or anything happening. I always share it on my X account. See you in my next video.